These are the condensing units. We've got two condensing units, unit 1 and number 2. One is a 3-ton and one's a 5-ton. And number 2, that's the electric disconnect right there. Number 1, I've got pictures inside. We've got dirty coils. And we've got 410A refrigerant. You see 410A refrigerant a lot. That used to be the new stuff. That used to be the good stuff. But they're phasing it out. They are phasing it out. So they are no longer manufacturing it, and they're no longer importing it. They have a lot of 410A in the stockpiles, but they're not making compressors for it and those kinds of things. So it's imperative that you get your extended warranty cards filled out before taking possession of the property. I believe the manufacturer gives you 60 days. Otherwise, all you have is a 1-year warranty that the builder will give you and the installer will give you. But what you really want is the extended warranty that Lennox will give you. We'll move over here. You see this pipe right here? Okay, that is a safety pan overflow drain. And safety pans are not supposed to be commingled. You can commingle the evaporator coil primary drains, but the secondary drain is supposed to come out, comes out in front of an obvious location. You look out, you see water coming down, you know you've got a problem. The reason why they're not supposed to be commingled is because if this one's leaking and the other one isn't, you know which system is leaking. But I've been around the house twice and I've only seen one secondary drain line. We're supposed to have 2. We're supposed to have 2. And then over here, okay, that is your fresh air induction vent. And in this part of the country, we put screens on them to keep birds out. Other parts of the country may have different requirements. We're in North Texas. That's fine.